Today, I'm going to teach you how to install WPML in WordPress. This is a powerful multilingual plugin that allows you to translate your website into multiple languages, making your content accessible to a global audience. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your browser and enter your website's admin URL, which is typically your domain name, followed by /wp-admin. Once you're there, enter your username and password to access the backend of your WordPress site. This is your control center where you'll manage all aspects of your website, including plugins. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several options. From this submenu, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can search for and install new plugins to extend your website's functionality. WordPress offers thousands of plugins, and WPML is one of the most popular for managing multilingual content. Now you'll see a search bar at the top right of the screen. Type WPML into this search bar and press Enter. WordPress will display a list of plugins matching your search. Look for the WPML plugin in the results. It should be clearly labeled and typically shows high ratings and a significant number of active installations. Once you've located it, click the Install Now button next to the plugin. WordPress will automatically download and install WPML onto your site, which usually takes just a few seconds. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. Click on Activate to enable WPML on your WordPress site. Activating the plugin is crucial because installation alone won't make the features available. You need to activate it to start using its multilingual capabilities. Once activated, WPML will add new menu options to your dashboard where you can configure languages, set up translations, and manage your multilingual content. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated WPML on your WordPress site. You're now ready to configure your language settings and begin translating your content to reach audiences around the world. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.